The catfish monster didn't even blink. Then he evolved into a street sign and swung it at the beast. The catfish monster was not only unharmed, but also turned around.
Ilang piraso daw lalabas dyan?
Its jaws formed from under a nearby farm. The other man didn't have time to react before the monster tackled him around. Just as he was about to be swallowed, Paul grabbed the street sign, rushed in, and brought it down hard on the monster's tail. Blood splattered across Paul's face. The catfish monster let out a thunderous roar of pain. Staring into its gaping maw, Paul didn't hesitate. He turned and ran.
Anong kailangan doon? Cheese. May cheese ka.
Wala.
Wala.
O eh. Bacon and flour.
May mushroom.
Ang baon nyo naman yan. Eh. Pagkasya mo yan ng mga 7 days.
Hindi kaya.
Bakit hindi kaya?
Mauubos rin ko lahat.
Pambaon nga lang pag tiga kayo, dapat lumabas yan 21. Tigta 3 kayo kada araw. 21.
So, tig 7 kami.
7 days nga eh.